Today, here at 99rights_online, we are diving into a case that involved a prospective tenant who was denied housing due to their service dog. Let's break down McClendon v. Bresler. In this case, the landlord rejected the applicant's request, arguing that the presence of the service animal violated the property's no pets policy. The applicant filed a discrimination lawsuit, citing violations of the Fair Housing Amendments Act and California's Fair Employment and Housing Act. Initially, the court ruled in favor of the landlord, but the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals reversed the decision, finding that the landlord failed to reasonably accommodate the applicant's disability. So what are our key legal issues? Well, we have the question, did the landlord's no pets policy unlawfully discriminate against the applicant under the Fair Housing Amendments Act? We also have to answer the question, was the service dog necessary for the applicant's disability? And finally, did the landlord fail to provide reasonable accommodation? The court examined whether the landlord should have known that the applicant required the service dog as an accommodation. Court ruling. The Ninth Circuit Court reversed the lower court's ruling, stating that the landlord failed to reasonably accommodate the applicant's disability, violating the Fair Housing Amendments Act and California's Fair Employment and Housing Act. The applicant provided sufficient documentation proving the necessity of the service dog. The landlord's refusal to rent the unit was discriminatory, as the applicant's communications clearly indicated the need for a service animal. Let's talk about the legal and policy impact. So what did this case do? First, it strengthened Fair Housing Amendments Act protections for individuals with service animals. Second, it also clarified the legal standard for reasonable accommodation requests. And third, it influenced future rulings on service animal-related housing disputes. Like this? Smash that like button, subscribe and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at 99rights_online for more legal quickies. So, catch you later. And remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay empowered, and keep fighting for what's right. See you next time. Liked this? If you found this information helpful and inspiring, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends and family.